AppelloMed iOS and Android application. And February 02, 2026, and presented by Nagajaya Madhu Praveen, and faculty advisor is the Dr. Victor Govindaswamy sir, and project is the project manager is Adrian Coral. Going to the presentation, content overview, and here we have the introduction, aims and objects, and background justification, agile methodology, GUI design, and software models, and Android Studio demo, software testing, and future work and questions. Introduction, APM, and Android iOS application development in Flutter framework, and the purpose helps patient management their medical history, designed to foster and better healthcare, target user and patients, and using the Android and iOS device for the digital medical record management. And aims and objectives. Aims and objectives are to provide and secure digital platform for storing and managing a medical record, to simplify accessing medical history for patients, to reduce the loss of medical reports and improve continuity of the care. And objectives: enable users to upload and store retrieve medical reports anytime, anywhere, and doctors to view the patient records to accurate and personalize the treatment, and improve communication between the patient and healthcare providers, and ensure data security and privacy for medical information. Background definition and background and the definitions. So here, medical record, a written and electronic account of the patient medical history and care, Cambridge Dictionary 2022, and digital health record, health information stored and shared electronically for easy access. Background justification research. Digital health technologies increasingly use it to store, manage, and share the health information, improving access and quality of care. World Health Organization 2021. Lack of proper access to medical record and result delayed diagnosis and repeated medical tests affected patient and care. Health.gov 2022. Patient control digital record help improve continuity of care and patient engagement. And here you can see the background and justification expecting existing applications. One is the SINSMIT and one is the metric app. So here you can see that these UIs are like all like an advised advertisements will become over here, and the symptoms and meditations, documents, logbook, and everything shown here. It was available in the apps. I have gone through these two apps and did so much of background check, and I got through the comments from the users, like which one is the best and which one is not best, and what are the major issues they are facing, and what is the problems they are feeling. So I have noted everything here. So based on that, I have created the app here, and I take the both apps and analyze it clearly and perfectly, and I created the new dynamic app that is called AppelloMed app. That app is really secured, and it's like a prescription wallet, so everyone, they are losing their prescription from their childhood, and they're not able to be carry with them to the entire places. So this prescription wallet is nothing but an Apple wallet. So we can save all the prescriptions in the wallet. It will show the list of the prescriptions. So when you open the list, when you open the prescription, it will show entire information about your health, and when did you go to the doctor, hospital name, doctor name, and specialization, and what is the issue you have taken, and it will show the reminder, and it will give the medicine, what is the dosage you have taken, medicine 1, medicine 2, medicine 3, and dosages. And either you have the edit option, if you remember when you're going to upload, that time you are able to be edit that option, and you can see so many options out there. So I have had plenty of options, and I'm going to explain everything step by step. So I'm going to be explaining for next step. So here, background justification and comparison table. So here we have the SINSMIT, Maverick, and AppelloMed, and cloud uploading, share, and prescription read and follow-up notification, AI capture, and free. So here the SINSMIT app as of the 2026 and released in 2025, and 2,500 downloads per year. And Maverick app is downloaded as of the 2026 and release of 2020, and this is the 2,500 downloads per year. And AppelloMed, we have seen I have configured everything, but not even not deployed, it's in progress. We are going to give the final presentation on Monday. Then after that, I'm going to deploy this project into the iOS and Android devices, and you can easily go and use it, and it will be very nice and cool. You will be definitely like this. And here I give the cloud uploading, sharing, and prescription read and follow-up notification, and AI capture are free. So cloud, they're not both giving the cloud, but I'm providing the cloud. This is the completely Firebase. It's a very advantage to everyone. And uploading and sharing, they are doing, and still we are doing. Prescription road, they are not reading it, but we are reading from PDF and providing it. Follow-up notification, they're not doing it, but we are doing it. And AI capture, they're not doing it, we are doing it. And the free, since it is free, not free, and Maverick is a free, and our app is a free. And the pros and cons here. So here we have the allows uploading and sharing of files, and cons cannot read prescriptions, has $25,000 per year, and meaning managing it already used in many users, released in 2025, so it's already relatively new, and cloud storage support is with the pros. And cons cannot read prescriptions, not follow-up notification system, no eye capture feature, no free to use. So these are the cons. So this is the more recap. So here with the pros and cons, and supports uploading and sharing the records. It's $2,500 per reading, and release it in 2020. It has been available for several years. And come to the cons: no cloud storage support, cannot read prescriptions, no follow-up notification system, no AI capture feature, not free to use. Coming to here, pros, cons, and AppelloMed. Pros: cloud storage support, uploading and sharing availability, prescription reading and feature includes, follow-up notification support, AI capture technology availability, free to use. Cons: new system released in 2006 and no downloads at managing, has no been widely adopted. Here are the comments. You can see the Cinsmith prescription health record and the med recap. You can see I clearly mentioned. You can see this guy mentioned every time I try to verify my account, it seems to be an error message telling to me check my network. It's a really bad thing. So coming to this side, so I do not know how would I survive without this app. This just recognizing, and I would like to, especially if I go see the doctor, I lay like it or want to be fine, especially okay, he's saying about completely like, oh, this is a very good app and really nice app. And yeah, this really good one. And coming to the bad network, so here is a good, track your own and your family health. That's really good comments. So here I have used it Android Studio, Git, and the Flutter, and Agile methodology here we are using. And this agile methodology, like we have the sprint 1 and sprint 2 and sprint 3 like that. So I gone to the sprint 1 proposal, and after got the proposal, Dr. G has approved that, and everyone I got the talk, like the comments and improvement suggestions, and I have done. And coming to the sprint 1, and after the sprint 1 I shown and developed the product, and I delivered and successfully went through, got the login page, and everything is done. So I'm happily doing with that, and I taken the some of the comments and suggestions and improvements for the sprint 2. So what I'm going to do that, I have taken everything in the notes, and I just going to work with that, and I did work on it, and I just successfully completed the sprint 2, and I'm planning to go for the sprint 3 as well. So here we go for the suggestions and mistakes. Removing graphical image that was searched with Dr. G, background check Dr. G, and bullet points Dr. G, app connecting to the hospital future works completed Dr. G, and comparison chart added completed, and in document show more comments Dr. G, and reading test reporting from Excel Dr. G, added pros and cons completed Dr. G. And these are suggestions, and sprint 1 and sprint 2. The suggestions: remove graphical images, Dr. G said that's done, I have done, and background check done, bullet points done, and app component is done, and completion clarity is done, and document show more comments Dr. G, in that's also done, and reading test components Excel Dr. G, that is also done, and add pros and cons, that is also done. Sprint 1 all done, and sprint 2 all done. So into the GUI design, focusing on, like here I use it as GUI design. Software designing models, I have used software designing models here, use it to visualize the reference structure and functionality of the application, helps in planning and understanding of the system before developing, and identify the design issues early and reduce and errors debugging and the implementation, improve clarity of the user iterations and data flow, and support smooth and efficient of the development. So here the sprint 1 diagram, you can see completely the sign in page and sign up and forget page, and here we have the about us page, and the display info page, and enter info sign up page, enter info sign in page, and email page, and update page, and a maintenance page. And coming to sign in sequence diagram, so here you can see the user GUI application database, success and error, and everything is here. and sign up sequence diagram. So here you can see all the geographical interfaces and everything is working fine. Like all the flow diagram I have given here clearly, and healthcare tracking analysis HTS print one. I have taken like a run app, how the app is running, and the run app, sign in, homepage, sign up, and forget password, and about us. Like I have clicked here. If you need to view home to 1.1, if you click 1.1, home will become. If you click on that 1.2, sign up page will become. If you click on 1.3, forget password will become. 1.4, it will be about us will come. So here's a sprint one, hierarchical, like a finished state mission diagram. Here you can see that forget password and everything successfully, it will go out. And when the run app, it will come to sign in, and it will go to the home page and going to sign up. And it will go to the about us page and sign up success page and back page and save and close the app. So this is a really perfect diagram to understanding of the like a new developer. When they can easily see that, and you can easily understand this. So use case diagram. So already I have developed this, already shown this use case how it works. So data flow diagram, this is the data flow diagram I am using, like how the entire flow will be going, like control flow and data flow. Red color will be the control flow and data flow will be the blue color. It will be going to the database, and all the blue color lines you can see here, database to the home and home to the add inspection and exit and log out, and it's going to be the back and sign up and everything. This all the arrows will be going like that, and run app. So it will be really nice, and you can easily understand what's going on here with the when you give that single look. So you can easily understand and you can go ahead with that. So sprint 2 coming here, it's a big one. So here you can see the home, sign in and forget password, sign up password, and about us, and below you can see the prescription list and add prescription and profile. So this is a big and really nice one, you can able to see and understand. So here I forget to tell you, like when the user going to enter the password like 4 times, it will like give the count 1 2 3 4 like that. I will show you that one. So if it's more than 4 times, it will say like that you are attempted more than 4 attempts and just reset your password. It will say like that. And when they're going to sign up, the user can easily able to sign up the application, and so he can easily be use it and understand the project. And coming to the about us page, and see the click about and entry click about, and from sign in state and do display information. Here we can see that prescription list, add prescription list and profile. These 3 pages will be here over there. And sequence diagram. So here you can see user GUI and database, and like how the flow will be like that. So here I have mentioned the new info fields, what are the things we are going to be enter. And you can see the doctor name, registration number, hospital, patient name, age, gender, prescription date, diagnosis, signature, verification, height and centimeters, weight in kg, blood, dosage and frequency, duration, when to track, how many days, and